Hi everyone, Susan the Bookmobile lady here. I would like to take a few moments to invite you to sign up for our summer reading challenge. It starts on May 21st. If you have done this in the past, you've had to keep track of how many books you've read or hours or days, but this summer, all you need to do is keep track of how many minutes you've read. 1,200 minutes will complete the program. Sounds like a lot, but we are here to help you out. And the online app that we have will help you keep track of your minutes. So why read this summer? Well, first, it helps you fight off boredom. It keeps your brain active, and the adventures that you go on when you read are priceless. And remember, this is for all ages. So stop by the library or sign up online starting on May 21st. Read, and then when you have completed, come back to any of our libraries and pick up your prize. And you can even do this on the Bookmobile. You will be entered into all kinds of fun raffle prizes, and we look forward to seeing you this summer and believe in the impossible. I'm going to hit the road now. Bye, everybody.